As has been true across the entire country, construction jobs were the first to feel the impact of the recession. Since February of 2011, though, construction jobs are returning actually at an even faster rate than what the original estimates were. And continued growth at this rate is going to bring literally tens of thousands more construction jobs to Colorado over the next few years.
When you're one of the fastest growing metropolitan areas in the country, and you have one of the most diverse state economies in the country, you end up building stuff because you're growing.
Colorado's going to continue to boom, and it's going to have other places are going to continue down to Pueblo and Colorado Springs, and the growth is going to continue.
Industry in Colorado has boomed over the last couple of years. There are projects popping up around every corner.
You only need to drive down the street or look at the downtown skyline, and you can see the impact that our construction industry is having on our economy. And yet, increasingly, the industry is finding it difficult to find skilled workers to fill these new jobs and to also be able to fill the vacancies created as an aging workforce retires.
Well, one word, the workforce is lacking. We need a lot more qualified individuals in the workforce. The workforce is lacking because when the economy went in a downturn, people frankly left the industry and went to oil and gas or other places, and they're probably never coming back. So we have an obligation as an industry to get people back into the workforce.
We know there's a great story to tell. We know that people can join a great team and be part of something larger than themselves. And that's what we're doing with BuildColorado.com, is getting that word out.
Yes, construction industry, those that are in it love it. And they all know it's a very, very successful and viable career. So we have a problem of perception.
The perception of the industry. We just went through a really hard time. And so people have had a more negative view of construction.
Very few people understand the complexity of being a great construction worker, the incredible talent that it requires, the technological skills, decision-making skills. This is a career. It's not only a career, it pays really well if you're good at it.
I love my job. I am a project manager for Mortenson, been here 8.5 years, and I wake up every day still wanting to come to work and excited to come to work. Every day is a new learning challenge. Every day is a different opportunity. And at the end of the day, I get to look back and see the wonderful things that we have built. And it's a legacy that I can leave for my children as well.
We have the career path on BuildColorado.com, and people are surprised when they come in and they look at the wage rates, they look at the overtime, they look at the earning potential in these jobs. And they haven't taken a look at them in a while, and it's time.
Everybody wants to know, especially the new generation, they want to know, well, how do I get here? And what we want to do is we want to get them there, so we want to give them all the tools to get there. So for me, it gave me an advantage of getting people, and if I have the people, then I have contractors that want to use us because they want to use people that have the workforce to get the jobs done. Nothing's worth to a general contractor to get a bunch of subs on there that can't get the job done.
Through BuildColorado.com, we advertise to the public the opportunities that we have in our industry, how to get involved, where to get a job, where to sign up for training, where to get an apprenticeship. And we just need more members of AGC, more construction firms, to go to BuildColorado.com, sign up, and post their opportunities and help us get the word out.
You can't just go get a job if you don't have the craftspeople to go build it. Our obligation is to change the public perception of what the construction industry is. And once those individuals enter the construction industry, it's to provide a training path so they can make it a full career. Without our craftspeople, we don't build a single thing. It is the single most important asset of the construction industry. And it's not just my company, or 2 companies, or 3 companies. It's every company's most important asset.
Colorado is going to continue to grow, and the key issue for the members of AGC is to grow and improve our workforce. That's the only way we'll be able to build the infrastructure that we know we'll need for the 21st century. AGC is committed to workforce development. It's the foundation for the construction industry's success. It's who we are. Together, we're building Colorado.